Welcome back guys to Blazing Trader. As you all know, so far in the channel's journey, I've made a couple of videos. In the first video, I've successfully won a tournament and I made $775. And in the second video, I showed you, I tried to withdraw my winnings from the tournament. I tried to withdraw $600 and I had an error while going through the withdrawal process and my withdrawals were paused. So what I did is I immediately contacted Binomo using their chat system. And as you can see on the left hand side where I'm pointing right now, I immediately went through and asked for support from their support reps. And I quickly told them about the issue that I'm facing, that my withdrawals have been paused and I have asked for a resolution. I said my withdrawals were paused. They took a look and then they told me that you can see here, and let me quickly read it for you. It says, "We understand your concern and we would like to inform you that during the verification, our security team has considered it necessary to check your account in more detail. We'll try to make the process as fast as possible. It may take up to 20 business days." And once I read this, 20 business days is it's a very long time. It's very annoying, frustrating for anyone to read this because 20 days waiting for the money is very annoying. So I asked them immediately and I told them, is there any chance that it can be done sooner? But they replied to me, said, you have to wait. The max time is 30th August 2024. So you have to wait until 30th August 2024, they said, guys. So I said, fine. Then I was thinking of waiting out the time. But then on the same day, this happened on August 5th, 2024, as you can see. On the same day, I received an email from Binomo saying, hello, your account is verified. So which means that they have sent me the green light to withdraw my money and my account got verified. And this is phenomenal news. I'm very happy seeing this because within one day they verified my account and my withdrawals are fully enabled. So I was unable to film the withdrawal process because I wanted to get my money out of there as soon as possible. So I immediately went for and I requested for a withdrawal. Let me show you. I'm going to the cashier and if I go to transactions, and you can see that I have withdrawn $600 here. I did it on August 5th, 4:59 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and I got it on August 5th, 5:02 p.m. So within 3 minutes, my account got credited with the $600 withdrawal, guys. So this is phenomenal job by Binomo. There are many binary options brokers online who will not give you your money when you make money fairly. Though there is a lot of backlash that Binomo is facing online, they have been good to me. I was able to withdraw my $600, and I will also put a screenshot from my bank statement, so you can see that the amount got credited into a live account. Mind you, this is not a promotion for Binomo. I am not a marketer. I'm not here to get you all to sign up on Binomo because you will never find affiliate link on my channel. I'm a professional trader through and through, and I'm here to only post my progress so that it can inspire you and it can in fact benefit you and educate you as a trader. And moving forward, I'll be doing a lot of challenges. I'll be doing monthly tournament challenges where I'll be focusing on making money on tournaments, and I will post the videos about my journey and you will all see it coming, guys. So if you're interested, please subscribe to the channel so you can see all the new videos upcoming. We'll be trading a lot of tournaments, we'll be making a lot of money, and so all in all, guys, it's a very good, successful end to the story. Thanks for watching until now. See you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.